Good afternoon, everybody. It's Alex. It's 2:30 on a Sunday. I'm at a commercial property in Fort Lauderdale, servicing it for mystery odor in their built-out bathroom that had a leak. They've had several other odor professionals there. The gentleman that called me for this company right here, Just Lift, I serviced his house 2 years ago for Curry, and they were thrilled. And he finally found my business card, called me this morning, and I agreed to meet him the same day. So we're servicing it for Florida building syndrome. I don't know if this door is open. I really don't want to interrupt what they're doing in there. Real musty. This is probably locked. No, great. Real musty. Odor right in here. This is the gym, as you can see. I'm gonna go up top real quick. I left my car open, so I'm gonna hurry up. So the water, okay, so there's a lot of junk up here, but the water came from here, so we're gonna treat this entire platform here with our first step molecular chemical, and then we're gonna service inside the bathroom itself, which is right down here. Okay, and that's really basically it. All right, we are commercial odor removal specialists, and we do look forward to earning your business as well. All right, thanks for viewing.